So here's the LG G3 and it's connected to that monitor, and this is the camera application, and it's sending the image to a larger display through this cable, which is a micro USB at this end and an HDMI at the other end. The HDMI enters into the monitor and the camera application is working. It's sending the image to the PC display through this cable. So if I unplug this cable, then the image stops. Only the phone is working, but that one is not working. Here's the other end of the cable. So that's the HDMI. It has a power connector also. That's for charging the phone. So power comes from here, goes into this wire and into the phone. It's working even without that one. Just with the HDMI into the monitor and the micro USB into the phone. So this cable has to be compatible, slim port has to be compatible with the phone. And you don't need to install any application on the phone, so no special software is needed, only that cable.